Right, Tom started on with the decking, or getting the timbers in anyway, so you can see what the idea was there with the pads. So it rests on each one of these. I think he's doing it in like an individual cassette site, Tom.
Yeah, two pieces so we can lift it off.
Yeah.
2 ones.
You can see there, around there. So yeah, this is 4x2 tannalised timber. He's using the nail gun. Obviously it's just stitching it in through there like that, and it's resting on these pavers. Right, started getting these in, started putting some, just a bit of damp course under them. Just this is tannalised timber anyway, but what we've done, so we've got this one first cassette done, and what we'll do is, because we don't know where it's going to finish with a tongue and groove, we'll fly them past. Then when we get nearer the end and we know we've got a measurement, we'll cut them back then. Yeah, we're just waiting for delivery of some stone, if it comes today.
Well, you get this cassette finished, can't we?
Yeah.
I'll nail it on, but I'll just put less nails in.
Are you just going to do the trim first?
No.
Are you going to fix them up to that then?
I'm starting off at that wall, I'm working my way back so it starts with the fuller.
Yeah, alright.
And then when I get here, I can fuck about with it. I can either add an extra length on or reduce them a little bit to suit the boards.
So we're going to fix those timbers what we've got there now
So it's exact.
to that existing. Oh, you're putting a double beam across there.
Yeah.
We'll get that one on there. Or so what we're going to do is, we've got that long one there. We're going to lay it down across there, fix all these to it. Yeah, and then the cross beam will then fix to that one what's in place there. Right, so we'll just move these that way. So there's going to get one in place there. Are you working your way along, Tom?
Working my way back to you, babe.
Yeah. And then once they're all fixed on there, we can slide it across to that point. There you go, it's the first one on. You'll see he's put all his crosses on. So you've got the line, and then the cross is actually the side the joist goes to. For those electricians among us. So we need to get all these on, then we can slide it across to that other one. Thing with these timbers as well, they always twist and curl. So you can lay these to that without a problem. It's just this end what we'll do is twist and lift the... It's a trimmer that, ain't it really, what you put on at this end as well?
Yeah, it's a trimmer.
Yeah, so if there's a curve in the trimmer, we'll just lift it up and down accordingly and fix it in line.
Next these the trim.
Yeah. That's our nail gun there, high corky. Well, when I say ours, you want snails, mate?
Please.
Yeah, everyone goes on about these pass loads, but this high corky. In fact, it's that good. My mate's left his pass load at home.
Needs cleaning, that's why. Cleaning. It's a bit shit there, mate.
Is that a technical term for a bit of detritus? I think they've had the power cut here because can't have the teeth for hours. You alright?
Yeah, I've done it.
And that's that, ladies and gents. So this is now going to get laid up to there. He's not going to fix it right now, but can you do it on your own?
Yeah, I can do it on my own.
What you say you have done all day?
Well, you know, you said it. You said it,
I just knew you were going to say it.
You said it. You said it.
Okay, now, yeah.
It's always me doing it. Good evening, viewers. Another reason to do it in cassettes.
Yeah.
If you do it on your own. Really?
There we go, you see? Bloody hell, Tom.
Let me get this one leveled up.
So you're going to just... Right, I'll help you with this bit because you need to lift it up and down, don't you? And there you go, so you can see how we've slid it up to that one. And nailed it accordingly. So it's doubly strong, that. It ain't going anywhere. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, that'll do me, he said. Early dropper type 1. Shifted a ton already, that's our second ton. That's going on the base of the decking. It's just to help drain water away. It's not getting compressed, it's just getting spread across the bottom. So I'll show you when it's in its final resting place. Just like that, it's gone. Another empty wheelbarrow. So what we've done, we've just thrown it down here to help away with sorry I'm panting, but that was constant barrowing. So we'll just put this down in between the decks. It's just going to help with any rainwater, etc. It's no great shakes, it's nothing to look at, but it's going to help the longevity of it. Anyway, we're going to have a well deserved brew now. So before you can start putting these down, you're going to put the starter ones in like that, there, and then that will hook into there when you push the board up. So there, it'll slide into there like that, and that's how it fixes. Easy peasy. And then the others you can access because they're on this side.
Knock that up a bit because it's give us it when it's
And these clips stop it flying up against the wall.
just doing it level like that with the end of the wood. Some up.
First piece of Trex GPR decking. That's it. Watch yourself. That's it, it's not going to come up at the back. That looks alright then, mate.
Yeah, it's about right.
And then you can use the normal clips for the rest of it. Right on, so Tom's been getting this down while I've been doing the fence outside. Oh yeah, looking the biz.
He's going every joist. Every joist.
Yeah, clipping every joist. And you're not going to get any movement then, or any bellying up or whatever.
Push them against it, so push like that.
Yeah.
Don't push them down. Keep them proud like that. You can slot the next one in.
Yeah, if you over tighten it, you're not going to get the next board in, are you?
Yeah. When you get about 2 or 3 boards in, go back and screw them.
Yeah, screw them home.
Screw these now. Until there can get screwed in. There you go. Until there can get screwed in.
So you left them not all the way home, didn't you?
Yeah, put it on your lowest setting on your drill cordless. So it does that. Don't have a tighten. So it don't spin. Back here now with that. And that one. And that one.
Got another job on with, so I've just been to get some fencing. So we've home, I didn't want to look out and see all this crap here, so we just whacked a 4x4 tannalised timber in there, 8 foot. Got it compacted with a bag of postcrete. Got a brace across just to hold it while it goes off. We'll put another 2 braces across, and then we'll put the palings on. Fence palings, that is. Palings. We'll get there. Well, there's the fence done. So what we've done there is use one of the palings, put it on the end just to square it off, and then this has been fixed in with a nail gun using 63mm nails all the way along, Yeah, good lad. And then what we had to do, we just had to multi this to get the last batten in. But yeah, so that's better, so the tenant doesn't have to look at wheelie bins anymore. As we look through here, all the deck's down. Tom's just sorting out the end bit because we've got to put the upstand on. Yeah, and it's brilliant. All the Trex fixings right in there, just disappear. You can't even see them when you stood looking at the deck. So yeah.
Don't come over here, because these are supporting on it.
Yeah, no, don't worry, mate. So yeah, so he's just not that trimmer off, he's just making final adjustments because obviously you don't know how it's going to work for battens. So now he's done that, he's just trimming back. He'll fix the trimmer back on, then he can get the front trim piece on as well as the last top flank batten, whatever you want to call it. And then jobs are good then. Right, catch you on the other side. Right on, more or less complete. Just got caught in the rain. Yeah, so we've got the front trim on. Sam's just cutting the last piece there to go over the threshold there at the step. So yeah, pleased about that. Got our gully there, all trimmed off. Just cut this in front of the shed. So yeah, jobs are good. Not bad. Right, boys and girls, that's it. That's another job done. And myself and Tom. All site cleared of all the rubbish. Oh yeah. Pleased with that. Bit of sawdust around, but hey ho. Yeah, not bad at all. You know what, Tom?
Just needs a sweep. Bit of a sweep, mate. Give it a bit of a sweep.
Bit of a sweep. Right, there we have it. On the words of Tom. Right, again then. We'll see you again. Do a like, subscribe, comment, blah blah blah. Alright, and then we'll see you on the next job. Use the force, Luke. Live long and prosper and all that crap. Bonjour.